this video we will discuss about how to delete temporary files to enhance your Windows. So first go to setting, then system, then click storage. After that it loads the files on your disk, that is operating system disk. Then click temporary files. Then when you click temporary files, it loads the temporary files that found on your computer. So wait until it scans all temporary files on your Windows. Then after it loads, check temporary files that we want to delete. So there are different temporary files, for example recycle bin, thumbnails, or Microsoft Defender antivirus. So I want to delete only temporary files within internet files, temporary internet files. Then I check and click remove files. Then when you click, it removes the temporary files that you checked. So we can enhance our computer by deleting temporary files.